morning. We're back at the lake. We had the capers and now we come back for the caper fruits. We had the capers. They become the beautiful flowers. And after that we get caper fruit. And that's what we want today. It's July now, so we have to be up early to not get too hot. So it's about 7 o'clock and the lake looks fantastic. Spectacular. We don't even eat that many capers or caper fruits. It just makes for a great gift. I mean, jar of capers, jar of caper fruits. Fantastic. I think we have enough. I will go through them, and if they're damaged, I don't think we have any, but then they will go away. I cut the little stems off like this. You can keep them longer if you want to have them like a snack. And you have a handy little handle. They are a little mustardy in flavour. Really nice. Capers have flavonoids in them and that makes them bitter. That's why the caper buds have to stay in water for so long. These caper fruits don't really need it. But just to be on the shore side, I always put them in water for one night. Well, let's see what they've done. Not much. I think I could have done without. So now we simply rinse them. Put them in jars and put vinegar on it. Simple.